Have you ever heard of borderline personality disorder? You may have heard of antisocial or narcissistic personality disorder. I am referring to another disorder within that same cluster. Borderline personality disorder, or BPD, is an impairing mental health disorder that affects approximately 5% of the United States population, and it is the most diagnosed personality disorder. It is associated with interpersonal problems and identity disturbance. It is associated with behavioral discontrol, where an individual might engage in impulsive and risky behaviors such as self-harm or substance use. These individuals could have difficulties regulating their mood or emotions, and these individuals could be experiencing cognitive dysregulation, where they could be having distressful, repetitive, negative thoughts. And these individuals could be distressed by these thoughts where they could be thinking about a previous experience where they were very angry or very sad. They could also be worrying about their future or thinking about worst case scenarios through a process called catastrophizing. To understand this cognitive regulation, I created a model to examine if these negative thoughts are predictive of BPD traits. We found that only certain negative thoughts were predictive of BPD traits: anger rumination, sadness rumination, and worry. We found that when individuals also brood or think about the negative consequences of their actions, this is predictive of BPD traits. The same was also found with thought suppression, where they avoid confrontation with those negative thoughts. However, when individuals reflect or problem solve, this was not predictive of BPD traits. This shows that reflection could be a protective factor in reducing the risk of exhibiting BPD traits. Overall, these negative thoughts and thought control strategies were more predictive of BPD traits than anxiety and depressive symptoms. This model shows how there are individual differences in exhibiting cognitive dysregulation. This is an impactful step in understanding BPD and cognitive dysregulation within it, and this is the first study to examine these constructs in one cohesive model. With this information, we can further identify these negative thoughts and provide better treatment for individuals with BPD. Thank you.